Today I'm going to show you what you can do if you hear water slushing in your door after a rainstorm or after you clean your car. It will sound like this. On the bottom of the door, sometimes in the front and in the back or along, you might see little drip holes. Just use a screwdriver or something small, or peg, anything, just to remove the debris. And as the water comes out, it will flush itself out. And then just let it drip out. Just clear all the drip holes. And once it's finished dripping, it just dry out by itself. And that's how you clear the water out of your door.